Let's talk about a super simple yet highly powerful marketing automation that you can set up using the power of AI automation tools like Zapier, Pabbly, Make, and an Airtable database. This is relatively simple to set up and is extremely powerful. It's also quite scalable, and you can augment it with a lot of other tools and software applications to get the desired results. So when I say marketing automation, I mean a simplified or streamlined way of generating and producing content. In this sense, text content from ChatGPT turned into various types of images, graphics, audio, other types of content that I can immediately use or use with a slight amount of modification. And so in this marketing automation, I'm going to show you how we can take a single keyword, a single question, a single desired blog title, and then start a machine sequence of automation which will generate several different types of text for us, like social media captions, YouTube descriptions, a stat, an outreach email to share the post or the content with other groups, other people, as well as the body of the article, and then a summary of the article. So this is where my content machine lives. It's on my homepage, diyseo.link, the content machine demo. And so I can type in any kind of prompt in here, add my email, and then I'm going to get this information emailed to me. And it's also going to be stored in my Airtable, which is the trigger or the on button of the machine. So this is super cool stuff. So I'm going to type in as an example here, are dumbbells better and sleds in F45 workouts? I like to capitalize each word in the sequence because that looks better in some of the output that we get. And so I'm going to put my email here, hit submit inquiry, and let's go. The machine has started. Check out this amazing marketing automation. So what we're going to quickly get here is a set of materials right here inside our Airtable. I'm going to scroll this way. We've got a new title, social media post with hashtags and emojis, YouTube video description, ad copy, outreach email copy. We're going to get here 3 different social images. So that's a URL to the exact social image link. This is automatically posting to the blog that we have configured. In this case, it's a demo non-index blog. So you can see the blog post. Very, very cool. In fact, let's take a look here. So these blog posts can be also downloaded to as XML files to your machine, and then you can upload them directly into your blog as they are. So super, super cool. A Google document is generated with the main text of the article, an audio MP3 file, and a slideshow, a Google slideshow. Let's see. Let's check out an audio file here. So I'm going to download the audio file. This is an AI
When it comes to
generated
incorporating
voice.
cardio into your strength training routine, it can be tempting to default to the usual suspects like running, cycling, or jumping rope. However, cardio functionality with dumbbells is an effective and underutilized option to elevate your heart rate and improve cardiovascular health. The key to achieving a cardio workout with dumbbells is to choose exercises that work multiple.
So that's a male AI generated voice that automatically took the text that ChatGPT generated for our keyword, question, or blog title and turned the text into that audio content. Just super incredibly powerful. I mean, this is happening in a matter of minutes. So eventually, very soon, I'm going to add in a video production element as well So you can see we're going to get several different pieces of content here. And let's take a look at, let's get a sense of some social graphics. So we're going to get an image like this. And I'm currently upgrading and working on the template and the design of the social graphics that's generated. But this article is best pools in Texas, preview top part of the article, and then a prompt to read more on the article. So that was automatically generated with this whole sequence. And so I'm going to give you a picture of how this is organized. This is a workflow within Pabbly. You can also use Zapier or Make. I enjoy Pabbly. It doesn't have quite as many software connections as Zapier, ultimately the market leader, but Pabbly is less expensive and has proven to be quite user-friendly in my opinion. So this is a quick run through of the workflow. This is a 22-step workflow, and I'm actually, this workflow is available if you're interested in it. Begins with the Airtable, with the new record jumping into the Airtable. That's the keyword, the question, the desired blog title, and then the sequence is initiated. It goes out to ChatGPT. I have a built-in prompt on top of the keyword or the question that someone types in, and so here's the prompting on top, and so that helps me script what I'm what I'm desiring to get. So back to the Airtable, more ChatGPT, designing the image, the audio file, posting to the WordPress blog, Google Document, Google Drive, Google Slides, ending with all the information being deposited in the Airtable. So this is how you can do a marketing automation custom built and designed specifically for your company. And it is really wild to realize that you can automate a blog, a post to your blog in just a simple matter of minutes with a single keystroke. So the email that comes is really cool when you get an email. So I've got this set up. So all of this material will be emailed to you. Here's the title of the article, main content, social media post here. So someone could just grab this, copy this, post, edit the text there in their Facebook, etc. Outreach email, and then here are the links to all the different content pieces generated with that single stroke. So leave a message in the comments if you're interested in the content machine and talking with me about marketing automation. I'd love to be a resource. Thanks and God bless. Bye.